Good day. My name is Gerald Escornejo. Today we will be talking about the revised penal code. Article 1. Time when Act takes effect. Officially enacted as Act number 3815 is the foundational law that defines crimes and provides their corresponding punishments in the Philippines. It is enforced since January 1932. Example, the revised penal code was enacted as Act 3815 and became effective on January 1, 1932. Any crime committed in the Philippines after this date is judged under this law, not older laws. Article 2. Application of its provisions. Territorial application. The code is enforceable or applicable within the Philippine archipelago, including its atmosphere, its interior waters and maritime zone, which constitute the Philippine territory. Article 2 RPC and Article 1 of the 1987 Constitution. Exceptions to the territorial application. The provisions of the RPC shall be enforced outside of the Philippines against those who: Number 1. Should commit an offense while on the Philippine ship or airship. Number 2. Should forge or counterfeit any coin or currency note of the Philippine Islands or obligations and securities issued by the government of the Philippine Islands. Territorial application. Example, a person steals a phone in Manila, Philippines. RPC applies because it happened within Philippine territory. Exceptions, extraterritorial. Example, someone commits assault while aboard a Philippine registered ship sailing in international waters. RPC still applies. Article 3. Felonies delitos. Acts and omission punishable by law. Elements of felony. There must be an act or omission. Such act or omission is punishable by law, RPC, and committed either by means of dolo or culpa. There is deceit, dolo, when the act is performed with deliberate intent. There is fault, culpa, when the wrongful act results from imprudence, negligence, lack of foresight, or lack of skill. Elements of dolo: intelligence, freedom, criminal intent. Elements of culpa: intelligence, freedom, negligence, imprudence, lack of foresight, skill. Dolo. This is deceit and intentional. Example, you plan and steal a bag, you wanted to do it with intelligence and freedom. So it is a theft. Culpa. It is a fault or unintentional. Example, you drive too fast, lost control and hit a person you didn't mean to hurt them, but it happened due to imprudence, negligence, reckless imprudence, resulting in homicide. This is a culpa. Article 4. Criminal liability. Criminal liability shall be incurred. Number 1. By any person committing a felony delito, although the wrongful act done be different from that which he intended. Number 2. by any person performing an act against person or property that cannot be accomplished due to inherent impossibility or ineffectual means. Example, you shoot someone intending to kill but the victim survives, so you are still liable for frustrated murder. Article 5. Duty of the court. Addresses the duty of the court to report to the chief executive if a law seems too harsh or if an act that should be repressed is not currently punishable. Example, a new harmful act, not yet a crime, happens. Court reports to the President so Congress can make a law to punish it. Article 6. Stages of execution. A crime is not just done or not done. The law recognizes three stages. It is the attempted, commences overt acts but does not perform all acts of execution due to external causes. Frustrated, performs all acts of execution but the crime is not produced by causes independent of the will. Consummated, all elements necessary for its execution and accomplishment are present. Example of attempted. You will pull out a knife and try to stab someone, but people catch you and stop you before you can wound them. Attempted homicide. Frustrated. You stab the victim in the chest. All acts to kill are done, but the victim survives because of immediate hospital treatment, cause independent of your will. Frustrated murder. Consummated. You steal a bag, take it, and walk away. All elements of theft are complete. Consummated theft. Article 7. When light felonies are punishable. Light felonies are punishable only when they have consummated, with the exception of those committed against person or property. Example, light treat only punishable if you fully did it. Attempted light treat, no penalty. Exception, attempted slight physical injuries. Harm against person is still punishable even if not fully done. Article 8. Conspiracy and proposal to commit felony. Conspiracy and proposal to commit felony are punishable only in the cases in which the law especially provides a penalty therefor. A conspiracy exists when two or more persons come to an agreement concerning the commission of a felony and decide to commit it. There is proposal when the person who has decided to commit a felony proposes its execution to some other person or persons. Example of conspiracy. A and B and C meet, plan to rob a bank, and agree on the plan. Conspiracy to commit robbery. Punishable because law specifies penalty. Example of proposal. D says to E, let's kill our enemy. D has decided and proposes it to E. Proposal to commit homicide. Punishable only if law provides penalty. Article 9. Felony classification. Number 1. Grave felonies are those to which the law attaches the capital punishment or penalties which in any of their periods are afflicted in accordance with Article 25 of Revised Penal Code. Number 2. Less grave felonies are those which the law punishes with penalties which in their maximum period are correctional. 3. Light felonies are those infractions of law for the commission of which the penalty of arresto menor or a fine not exceeding 200 pesos or both is provided. Article 10. Offenses not subject to the provisions of Revised Penal Code. Offenses which are or in the future may be punishable under special laws are not subject to the provisions of this code. This code shall be supplementary to such laws unless the latter should specially provide the contrary. Example, illegal possession of drugs, punished under Republic Act 9165, not RPC. Only general principles of RPC apply if RA 9165 is silent. Article 11. The following do not incur any criminal liability. Anyone who acts in defense of his person or rights, provided that the following circumstances concur. First, unlawful aggression. Second, reasonable necessity of the means employed to prevent or repel it. Third, lack of sufficient provocation on the part of the person defending himself. Example, someone pulls a knife and attacks you. You grab a stick and hit them to stop them. Justified, no crime. Article 12. The following are exempt from criminal liability. An imbecile or an insane person unless the latter has acted during a lucid interval. When the imbecile or an insane person has committed an act which the law defines as felony delito, the court shall order his confinement in one of the hospitals or asylums established for persons thus afflicted, which he shall not permitted to live without first obtaining the permission of the same court. Number 2, a person under 9 years of age. 3, a person over 9 years of age and under 15 unless he had acted with discernment, in which case such minor shall be proceeded against in accordance with the provision of the Article 80 of this code. When such minor is adjudged to be criminally is irresponsible, the court, in conformity with the provisions of this and preceding paragraph, shall commit him to the care and custody of his family, who shall be charged with his surveillance and education. Otherwise, he shall be committed to the care of some institution of person mentioned in said Article 80. Example, an insane person in staff, some not liable but court orders confinement in hospital, asylum. Article 13. Mitigating circumstances. Number 1. Those mentioned in the preceding chapter when all the requisites necessary to justify the act or to exempt from criminal liability in the respective cases are not attendant. 2. That the offender is under 18 years of age or over 70 years. In the case of the minor, he shall be proceeded against in accordance within the provisions of Article 80. 3. That the offender had no intention to commit so grave a wrong as that committed. Ito po yung example sa number 1 natin. Incomplete justifying and exempting circumstance. Example, you defended yourself but used excessive force. So the penalty po is mababa. 2. Age, minor or senior. Example, 16 years old commits theft. So ang penalty is reduced po. 75-year-old commits fraud. Penalty reduced din. Sa 3, no intention to commit so grave a wrong. Example, you only mean to slap but victim fell and died. No intent to kill, penalty lighter. 4. The sufficient provocation or threat on the part of the offended party immediately preceded the act. 5. That the act was committed in the immediate vindication of a grave offense to the one committing the felony delito, his spouse, ascendants, descendants, legitimate, natural or adopted brothers or sisters or relatives by affinity within the same degrees. 6. That of having acted upon an impulse so powerful as naturally to have produced fashion or obfuscation. 4. Sufficient provocation and threat by victim. So the example is someone insults you repeatedly. You punch him. Provocation lessens penalty. Sa 5, immediate vindication of grave offense. Example, you catch someone abusing your child. In range, you hurt him. Vindication lowers penalty. Sa 6, fashion or obfuscation. So, ang example po dito is, you find your spouse cheating. Out of grief, anger, you hurt the other. Penalty lighter. 7. That the offender had voluntarily surrendered himself to a person in authority on his agents, or that he had voluntarily confessed his guilt before the court prior to the presentation of the evidence for the prosecution. 8. That the offender is deaf and dumb, blind or otherwise suffering some physical defect which thus restricts his means of action, defense, or communication with his fellow beings. Sa 7 po, voluntary surrender or confession. Sa surrender po, you give yourself up voluntarily, not when about to quote. Sa confession, you admit guilt before prosecution presents evidence. Example, after stealing, you go to the police station on your own. So the penalty po is reduced din po. So let's proceed to the Article 14. Aggravating circumstances. Sa number 1, that advantage be taken by the offender of his public position. That the crime be committed in contempt of or with insult to the public authorities. 3. That the act be committed with insult or in the disregard of the respect due to the offended party on account of his rank, age, or sex, or that it be committed in the dwelling of the offended party, if the latter has not given provocation. Number 4, that the act be committed with abuse of confidence or abuse ungratefulness. 5, that the crime be committed in the palace of the chief executive or in his presence, or where public authorities are engaged in the discharge of their duties, or in a place decided to religious worship. 6, that the crime be committed in the night time or in an uninhabited place, or by a band, whenever such circumstances may facilitate the omissions of the offense. Ito po example natin sa number 1. Abuse of public position. Example po, the police officer extorts money using his badge. Sa number 2 po, contempt and insult to public authorities. So, ang example po dito ay attacks a traffic enforcer while he issues a ticket. So, yun po yun. Sa 3 po, disregard of rank, age, sex, or dwelling. Example po is robbing and insulting an elderly woman inside her house. Sa 4 po, abuse of confidence, ungratefulness. Example, you let a friend stay and he steals your jewelry. Sa 5 po, palace, public officers, religious places. So, example po is stealing inside the church or city hall. Sa 6 po, nighttime, uninhabited place or by band. So, the example po is sa nighttime, plan to a concealed crime. Sa uninhabited po, no one to help victim. Sa by band, 3 armed persons acting together. So, bali ang example po is robbing at midnight in an isolated village by 4 armed men. Lipat po tayo sa Article 15. Ito po yung alternative circumstances. Are those which must be taken into consideration as aggravating or mitigating according to the nature and effects of the crime and the other conditions attending its commission. So sa number 1 po, ito yung relationship. Shall be taken into consideration when the offended party is the spouse, ascendant, descendant, legitimate, natural, or adopted brother or sister or relative by affinity in the same degrees of the offender. Sa 2 po, intoxication. Intoxication of the offender shall be taken into consideration as mitigating circumstance when the offender has committed a felony in a state of intoxication, if the same is not habitual or subsequent to the plan to commit said felony, but when the intoxication is habitual or intentional, it shall be considered as an aggravating circumstances. Sa 3 po, ito po yung degree of instruction and education of the offender. The offender's level of education is also weighed as an alternative circumstances. Po yung example po natin sa relationship. Mitigating. If crime is against property, theft from a parent. Aggravating. If crime is against person, killing a parent, ito po ay parricide. Article 16. Who are criminally liable? The following are criminally liable for grave and less grave felonies. So ito po yung number 1, principals, 2, accomplice, 3, accessories. The following are criminal liable for light felonies. Ito naman po is principals and number 2, accomplice. Article 17. Principals. The following are considered principals. Number 1. Those who take a direct part in the execution of the act. 2. Those who directly force or induce others to commit it. 3. Those who cooperate in the commission of the offense by another act without which it would not have been accomplished. Article 18. Accomplice are those persons who, not being included in Article 17, cooperate in the execution of the offense by previous or simultaneous acts. Article 19. Accessories are those who, having knowledge of the commission of the crime and without having participated therein, either as principals or accomplice, take part subsequent to its commission in any of the following manners. 1. By profiting themselves or assisting the offender to profit by the effects of the crime. 2. By concealing or destroying the body of the crime or the effects or instruments thereof in order to prevent its discovery. 3. By harboring, concealing, or assisting in the escape of the principal of the crime, provided that accessory acts with abuse of his public functions or whenever the author of the crimes is guilty or treason. Parricide, murder, or an attempt to take the life of the chief executive or is known to be habitually guilty of some other crime. Article 20. Accessories who are exempt from criminal liability. The penalties prescribed for accessories shall not be imposed upon those who are such with respect to their spouses, ascendants, descendants, legitimate, natural, and adopted brothers and sisters, or relatives by affinity, within the same degrees, with the single exception of accessories falling within the provisions of paragraph 1 of the next preceding article.